Top 20 Employee Benefits Manager Interview Questions and Answers. Welcome to this guide on Employee Benefits Manager Interview Questions and Answers. If you are preparing for this role, it's important to showcase strong knowledge of employee benefits, compliance, communication, and strategic planning. Employers look for candidates who can design effective benefits programs, manage costs, and ensure employee satisfaction. In this script, we'll go through 25 key questions, each with clear and professional sample responses. This will help you build confidence, understand what hiring managers expect, and prepare structured responses that highlight your strengths in the role. Let's begin with the first question. 1. Can you tell us about your experience as an employee benefits manager? I have extensive experience managing employee benefits programs, including health insurance, retirement plans, and wellness initiatives. My background includes working with vendors, ensuring compliance with labor laws, and educating employees on available options. I have successfully developed cost-effective strategies that balanced organizational budgets while improving employee satisfaction. My role often required collaboration with HR, finance, and executive teams to align benefits with company goals. I believe my experience allows me to effectively evaluate plan performance, negotiate contracts, and address employee concerns while ensuring that the company remains competitive in attracting and retaining top talent. 2. How do you stay updated on changes in benefits regulations and compliance requirements? I make it a priority to stay current on benefits laws and regulations by subscribing to industry newsletters, attending HR conferences, and participating in professional networks. I also follow updates from government agencies such as the Department of Labor and IRS. Additionally, I collaborate with legal counsel and benefits consultants to ensure our programs remain compliant. By proactively monitoring changes, I can quickly adapt our benefits offerings and update policies. Staying informed not only reduces compliance risks but also ensures our employees receive accurate information about their benefits, building trust and confidence in our programs. 3. What is your approach to designing employee benefits packages? When designing benefits packages, I start by analyzing workforce demographics and organizational goals. I conduct employee surveys to understand preferences and identify gaps in existing plans. Then, I evaluate available options in terms of cost, coverage, and competitiveness in the industry. My goal is to balance affordability with employee satisfaction, ensuring benefits appeal to diverse needs. I also focus on wellness and work-life balance, as these greatly impact employee engagement. By presenting leadership with data-driven proposals and cost projections, I ensure our benefits package attracts talent, while aligning with the company's long-term strategy and budget. 4. How do you ensure that benefits programs remain cost-effective? To maintain cost-effectiveness, I carefully monitor plan usage, track claims, and analyze trends. I work closely with brokers and vendors to negotiate competitive rates and identify opportunities for savings. I also introduce wellness programs that encourage preventive care, which reduces long-term healthcare expenses. Regular benchmarking against industry standards ensures our offerings remain competitive without overspending. Additionally, I explore innovative options such as flexible benefits or tiered plans to give employees choices while controlling company costs. By continuously evaluating program performance, I maintain a balance between employee satisfaction and organizational financial sustainability. 5. How would you handle employee complaints about benefits coverage? I believe handling complaints requires empathy, clear communication, and problem-solving skills. When an employee raises concerns, I first listen carefully to understand the issue and review their specific benefits plan. If possible, I provide guidance on how to maximize their coverage or alternative options available. If the issue stems from provider errors, I act as a liaison to resolve the matter quickly. For larger systemic concerns, I track recurring complaints and bring them to leadership for review. This approach ensures employees feel heard and supported while identifying opportunities to improve future benefits offerings. 6. How do you educate employees about their benefits? I use a variety of methods to ensure employees fully understand their benefits. This includes hosting orientation sessions, creating user-friendly guides, and offering Q&A sessions during open enrollment. I also develop digital resources such as videos, intranet content, and FAQs for easy access. One-on-one support is available for employees with complex questions. I believe effective education reduces confusion, improves plan participation, and enhances employee satisfaction. By tailoring communication strategies to meet different learning styles, I ensure employees make informed decisions that maximize the value of their benefits package. 7. How do you measure the success of a benefits program? I measure success by analyzing participation rates, employee satisfaction surveys, and retention metrics. For example, high enrollment in wellness programs or retirement plans signals strong engagement. I also track claims data and cost trends to assess financial performance. Benchmarking against competitors helps evaluate whether our offerings remain attractive in the market. Additionally, feedback from employees provides valuable insights into areas of improvement. Combining these metrics ensures a comprehensive evaluation of the program's impact. Ultimately, a successful benefits program supports employee well-being, enhances retention, and aligns with organizational financial goals. 8. How do you approach vendor selection for benefits plans? Vendor selection begins with a thorough assessment of company needs and employee demographics. I evaluate vendors based on cost, network size, service quality, and compliance with regulations. Requesting proposals and comparing offerings helps ensure we receive competitive rates. I also seek references and feedback from other organizations using the same vendors. During negotiations, I emphasize transparency and service guarantees. Establishing strong vendor relationships is crucial for smooth administration and timely resolution of issues. By carefully selecting and managing vendors, I ensure employees receive quality benefits while the company maintains cost control. 9. What is your strategy for open enrollment periods? My strategy for open enrollment involves early planning, clear communication, and accessible resources. I start by collaborating with vendors to finalize plan details and prepare materials. I then launch a communication campaign that includes emails, webinars, and printed guides. I schedule information sessions to explain changes and answer employee questions. Technology plays a role, as I use online enrollment platforms for convenience and accuracy. I also provide reminders to encourage timely participation. By combining education with support, I ensure employees feel confident in their choices, and the enrollment process runs smoothly. 10. How do you handle confidential employee information in benefits administration? I treat employee data with the utmost confidentiality and follow all privacy regulations, including HIPAA and GDPR requirements. I ensure access is restricted to authorized personnel only, and sensitive data is stored securely. When working with vendors, I verify their compliance with privacy standards and establish data protection agreements. I also educate employees on safeguarding their personal information. Confidentiality builds trust and reassures employees that their information is safe. By maintaining strict privacy protocols, I protect both the company and employees from risks associated with data breaches or unauthorized disclosures. 11. How do you align benefits programs with company goals? I align benefits programs with company goals by first understanding the organization's mission, values, and workforce strategy. If the company prioritizes employee retention, I design competitive benefits that support long-term career growth, such as retirement plans and wellness initiatives. For companies focused on innovation, I emphasize flexible benefits that promote work-life balance and productivity. I also collaborate with leadership to ensure financial objectives are met while supporting employee satisfaction. Regular reviews of benefits performance against key business outcomes help maintain alignment. This approach ensures that benefits not only serve employees but also strengthen organizational success. 12. How do you balance employee needs with budget constraints? Balancing needs with budgets requires careful planning and transparency. I conduct employee surveys to identify the most valued benefits and prioritize offerings that deliver maximum impact. I negotiate with vendors to secure competitive pricing and explore innovative options like flexible spending accounts or voluntary benefits that cost the company little but add value. Communicating the rationale behind decisions helps employees understand budget limitations. By focusing on both affordability and value, I ensure the organization provides meaningful benefits without overextending resources. This balance fosters employee trust and supports the company's financial health. 13. How do you manage relationships with benefits vendors? I manage vendor relationships through regular communication, performance monitoring, and clear expectations. I schedule quarterly meetings to review service delivery, claims data, and employee feedback. Contracts include measurable service level agreements, ensuring accountability. If issues arise, I address them promptly and collaboratively to maintain positive partnerships. I also stay informed about new offerings and innovations vendors provide, which may benefit employees. Building strong relationships encourages vendors to prioritize our organization's needs and provide better value. By fostering trust and professionalism, I ensure vendors remain reliable partners in delivering high-quality employee benefits. 14. How do you handle high healthcare costs in benefits programs? I manage high healthcare costs by implementing cost containment strategies, such as promoting preventive care, wellness programs, and telemedicine services. Encouraging healthy lifestyles helps reduce long-term claims. I also evaluate plan designs, such as high-deductible health plans with health savings accounts, to balance costs and employee choice. Regular analysis of claims data helps identify cost drivers, enabling targeted interventions. Negotiating with providers for better rates and exploring self-insurance options are additional strategies. By proactively addressing healthcare expenses, I maintain affordability for both employees and the organization while ensuring access to quality care. 15. How do you motivate employees to use wellness programs? Motivating employees requires engaging communication and meaningful incentives. I design wellness initiatives that address physical, mental, and financial health, ensuring broad appeal. Incentives like premium discounts, gift cards, or recognition programs encourage participation. I promote programs through emails, posters, and employee success stories to demonstrate real benefits. Leadership involvement also increases credibility and participation rates. By tailoring activities to employee interests, such as fitness challenges or mindfulness workshops, I ensure the programs feel relevant and supportive. This approach fosters a culture of well-being and improves both employee engagement and organizational productivity. 16. How do you address the needs of a diverse workforce in benefits programs? A diverse workforce requires flexible and inclusive benefits. I begin by analyzing demographics such as age, family status, and cultural background to understand varied needs. Offering options like flexible schedules, childcare assistance, or elder care benefits supports different life stages. Inclusive healthcare coverage, such as mental health support and fertility benefits, ensures no group feels overlooked. Communication materials are designed to be accessible and culturally sensitive. By offering choices through cafeteria-style or tiered benefits, employees can personalize their packages. This inclusivity strengthens employee satisfaction, enhances equity, and demonstrates the company's commitment to supporting all employees. 17. How do you handle employees who struggle to understand benefits options? I handle this by providing clear, simplified communication and personalized support. I create easy-to-read guides, infographics, and videos that explain benefits in plain language. During open enrollment, I hold interactive workshops and Q&A sessions to address common concerns. For employees needing additional help, I offer one-on-one consultations to walk them through choices. I also encourage the use of decision support tools on enrollment platforms to simplify comparisons. By ensuring employees understand their options, they feel more confident in their decisions and are more likely to take full advantage of their benefits. 18. How do you track and report on benefits program performance? I track performance by collecting data on participation rates, cost trends, and employee feedback. I use HR software to generate reports on claims, utilization, and enrollment patterns. Regular surveys provide insight into employee satisfaction and program effectiveness. I benchmark our results against industry standards to ensure competitiveness. Reports are shared with leadership to demonstrate return on investment and highlight areas for improvement. By maintaining accurate records and providing actionable insights, I ensure benefits programs are continuously evaluated and optimized. This data-driven approach helps align benefits with organizational goals and employee needs. 19. How do you integrate technology into benefits administration? I leverage technology to simplify enrollment, communication, and reporting. Online platforms allow employees to review options, compare plans, and make selections conveniently. Automated reminders help ensure deadlines are met, while mobile apps provide easy access to benefits information. HR analytics tools track participation, costs, and utilization trends. Technology also enhances compliance by maintaining accurate records and generating reports for audits. Virtual webinars and digital resources improve employee education. By integrating modern tools, I streamline administration, reduce errors, and enhance the employee experience, making benefits programs more efficient and user-friendly. 20. How do you handle resistance to changes in benefits programs? I handle resistance by communicating transparently and engaging employees early in the process. I explain the reasons for changes, such as cost management or improved offerings, and highlight the benefits of the new program. I listen to employee concerns, provide forums for feedback, and address misconceptions. Offering transition support, such as informational sessions or personalized guidance, helps ease anxiety. By involving leadership in communication, I reinforce credibility. While change can be difficult, clear messaging and empathy ensure employees feel supported, ultimately leading to smoother adoption of new benefits programs. Preparing for an employee benefits manager interview requires a blend of technical knowledge, strategic thinking, and strong communication skills. Employers want to see that you can design cost-effective programs, ensure compliance, and meet the diverse needs of employees. By practicing thoughtful responses to common questions, you can showcase your ability to balance organizational goals with employee satisfaction. Remember, confidence and clarity in your answers will demonstrate your readiness for the role. With the right preparation and mindset, you can present yourself as the ideal candidate to lead effective, competitive, and engaging benefits programs.